Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. Today we will talk about the myths associated with vending machines. So let's start the video. Vending machines are the revolution for D2C companies. But do you know that there are many myths which are associated with these vending machines? Vending machines stock unhealthy products. As more and more people become health conscious, the fear is that vending machines only offer junk foods. The need to have people eating healthy foods has fueled this myth, and people are shunning vending machines. The truth is, vending machines have come a long way to accommodate everyone. With technology, vending machines are stocking up fresh fruits and vegetables along with seeds and nuts. Customers are spoiled for choice on healthy foods in a vending machine. Vending machine requires exact cash and coins. This myth was once true that vending machines requires the exact same amount of currency notes or coins as per the item you selected. But the truth is, with advancement of technology, the industry has caught up and it does provide digital advancement including touch screens and provision for UPI payments. Operating a vending machine business is easy and effortless. Like any other business, running a vending business carries its own risk. Contrary to TV commercials believe, it is not just play and plug. It depends on many factors including location, servicing, stocking up, and more. Vending machines offer stale products. A popular myth that refrains people from using vending machine is that people believe that it contains expired products. But the truth is, with the technology advancement, the proprietor uses a software which enables him to track the shelf life of the products which are going to expire. In fact, customers can also verify the expiry of the products on the display screen. Products in the vending machines are expensive. While this is just a myth that the machines are fancy, so are the products inside them. But the truth is, the selling price of the product is preloaded based on the MRP of those products. Vending machine business is not profitable. By investing in a vending machine business, it can give you a source of passive income. The convenience which is offered by the vending machines can be overstated, as this has been a significant contributor to the rise of the vending machine business. Vending machine business is still at nascent stage in India, and we are still in the stage of modification and providing ease to the customer by enabling them with a smart solution for both operators and the customers, for which Vendify, an IoT SaaS company that helps vending companies manage their vending business on a monthly subscription model, stepped in this industry by providing this smart solution to their vending machine partners and for the customers by enabling them to track all the analytics and digitization to ease out the process so that they can work on expansion. Rest all technicalities will be taken care by Vendify. To know more about Vendify, please visit our website www.vendify.in. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to Vendify. And do let us know in the comment section your myth about vending machines. See you in the next video. Thank you.